Can you share the Overleaf link with me, please?
So so uh so the document class is running head. So using the LLNC S. So I try to post the
Yeah,
uh,
it looks like lecture notes in computer science because lecture notes in computer science is it's what we call a postage stamp format. It's tiny. Can you share the link to your
sure.
Overleaf with me?
Okay. Can you open it?
Thank you.
Because
Right.
you need, maybe you need my account, or how can I share with you?
Hang on, saying restricted. Share it with me. Let me just log into Overleaf.
Yes.
Cool. So share it to that email address.
Okay. So let me see it, how to do it, and or make me copy, download, no, copy, download. So how to grant the access right for you? So oh, uh, nothing to see here. Okay, no, add folder, make a copy.
Okay, at the top right, there should be a thing that says share.
Oh yeah. I found it, and then
Yeah,
add. Okay. So
just send. Yeah, send it to share with your collaborators. Put my email address in there. Give me can edit privileges, and I'll come back and have a look.
yes. Now I already sent an email to you, invitation email. So have you received it?
Bear with me. Yep, there we go. Here I am.
Okay. So now I think you already log in to the.
Yep. I'm actually recompiling your code.
Okay.
I'm recompiling your LaTeX right now, just out of curiosity to see what happens if I make the change I make. Nice and slow today, isn't it? Yeah, the lecture notes in computer science format is absolutely tiny,
Yes.
and that's not working in your favor.
Okay. Because some of the package can't be used, so it's hard to create. Yeah.
Yeah, let me just. It should work on article. Why is it taking so long to compile? This may be okay. It didn't compile.
Yes, they're still compiling. Maybe a little bit slow.
Hang on, let me try fast recompile.
I don't know why. Actually, I think this just usually use 5 seconds. It can be compiled the new version. But I don't know why this time is pretty slow.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe I try to log out. Let
No, it's
let's.
just taking a long time. It's
No, there's maybe have some issue. Also, I try to log out, and then you compile. You compile again. And let me. Is that okay? You can refresh your pages, and then try to.
well. I mean, the thing is, I'm just not even seeing the PDF now. It is taking so long to compile. Jeez, shouldn't be taking this long at all.
No, this has something such should be have some issue sucking in some progress.
No, let me just put the change back that I put in. Okay, so it worked for LNCS. Switch back to one of my own. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, look, try a different. I think you should probably try a different approach.
Yes.
I'm going to. I obviously can't fix this. So here are 2 lines I'm going to paste into the Zoom that you should write down. Okay.
Yes.
Those you should go and get the SIGConf package. Okay.
Yes.
And the ACM art. So go and search for the ACM article, SIGConf package, and you should be able to get all of that working. Because right now, let's move away from that because let's talk about the important stuff. All right? Because this is just formatting at the moment. One thing I'm concerned about is we've talked before about the fact that you're doing database stuff, and you keep focusing back onto developing a solution for Yao's millionaires problem. Your thing is to put Yao's millionaires problem into the database setting. Okay.
Yes.
You're not looking to specifically come up with a new solution for Yao's millionaires problem. Okay, and you need to make that very, very clear.
Okay.
Okay. You are looking to implement a solution because it is a solved problem. You're looking to implement a solution in a database. That's what you're doing, yeah?
Yes. So I want to confirm that whether my solution is correct. So I'm using the 0 let me try using the 0. Sorry. Yeah, so 0 knowledge proof. So I train this the value of A into a set of the bit, a set of bit. So
Yeah,
and then use the thumb
I'm
bit.
familiar with the proof. I'm familiar with the approach. So I just wanted to make sure because the way that you've written it, it looks like you're trying to solve Yao's millionaires problem, which is not what
okay. I see. So now I will try to train the tone. So I will.
Section 2.2, numbers 4 and 5, you need to fix those up. The other thing is that LaTeX does not just do less thans by themselves, okay? If you want to, you've got some less than symbols that have been turned into upside down question marks.
Okay.
Okay, so what you need to do is this. So in your text, that will actually switch on math mode and then display those things as math symbols and then turn off math mode again.
Okay, how to shift to the map mode?
That's just it. Put dollar signs around it.
Put dollar signs. Okay.
Yeah, it's really simple. Let me show you. Let's have a look at the page. Look down the bottom of page 2. I'll see if I can fix this. Find less than. Just the highest bit. Okay, so greater than or equal to. So in the bottom of point 4, identify Yale's millionaires problem, you can see how it's got A upside down question mark equals B.
So are you talking about the pages 4?
Oh no, page 2, bottom of
Page 2. Okay.
And you can see where right down the bottom of the left-hand column of page 2, it says A upside down question mark equals B.
Yes.
Okay, now watch this.
So you already
I
uploaded?
just patched it. See the difference? So if you recompile,
So I try to recompile. Okay.
and now it looks right.
Okay.
Okay, so I've left an example in there for you to look at. So that is, in terms of what you've talked about, I'm going to fix what I noticed you've got some dots sitting in there. There is a very handy.
So you're talking about the page 3? The dot should be about the paragraph of the protocol for security computation, right?
I'm talking about protocols for secure.
Yeah. They have the dot here. They have the 3 dot in the paragraph.
Yeah. You know what that's called?
What they call?
That's called an ellipsis.
How to spell?
Let me write it in. So that particular thing is called an ellipsis, but you can generate it automatically in LaTeX.
Yes.
Let me just find the right command. Okay, can you see that if you recompile, you'll see that the dots have turned into 3 dots.
Let me try to recompile. Oh, okay. I saw it. Yeah, already changed.
That's using a command called ldots.
LDOT. Okay.
And I'll fix the other one while I'm here.
Thank you.
Why not?
Thank you.
Just little things, but they make things look a lot better. All right, there we go. All right. So overall, I mean, your discussion about things, I honestly, I found it really hard to read this because it's so small. But I can see that you've done, a lot of a lot of the stuff that you've talked about. You need to change the way you talk about Yale's millionaires problem, as we've already discussed. You need your references, okay?
Oh yeah.
You need to put your references on here.
Yeah. So I want to make sure that the page of the reference counts as 1 pages.
Yeah, but I mean, once you fix the formatting.
Yeah. Fix the margin.
Yeah. I mean.
So I can have a more content in 1 pages after I fix the margins, right?
Yeah.
So how to fix? So can I try to. Let me see. I try to change the format again. Maybe have some problem in my.
Have you downloaded the SIGCOMP ACM art package and uploaded it?
I 6 format the. So what kind of package?
Okay, you need to basically download the appropriate software package.
But I'm using these IDE tools.
Yeah, but the IDE needs more information. It needs a template. Okay.
Yes.
And let me make sure I'm in the right place.
Where can I find? Is that something like a document? Something like the style document I can download it and then put it into my
It is.
project and then reference it and then or import into my report and then I can recompile and then use the style.
Yeah, hang on a second. Why is that machine so slow? Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go to this link I'm sending to you right now.
Okay.
If you click on that link, it's going to download a thing called acmart-primary.zip. Don't go there just yet. Watch my screen, okay?
Yes.
So I'm just going to share my screen with you. When you unpack that, that is going to give you all of these files, okay? Can you see them all?
Yeah. So
Okay.
I just need to
Stop. Let me finish because I'll show you what you need to do, okay?
Yeah.
So you need to click on that link, download it, open it up, and you can see these files here. This is going to show you a lot of examples, but to get it to work, what
Yes.
you need to do, and let me just make sure I've got the right point. Okay, now let me share my screen again.
Okay.
You can see up here that right at the top there's a SIGCOMP ACM art.
Yes.
Look over here at the files and you'll see that what this person has done, Biver has done, is they basically uploaded all of the files from that package into here.
Oh, so should be upload all the file, right?
Yep.
Oh, okay,
Upload
I
all
see.
into here, then change the top of your file to look like that, and it should work. And you can
Okay.
see on the right how much more efficient it is.
Yeah.
Still two columns,
Yes.
but
Yeah.
much better use of space.
Yeah. Yes. Can hold more word. Yes. It's easy to read.
Okay, now I'm actually really tempted just to do this because I want to make sure that it works because we won't have a chance to talk again and we're running out of time. So bear with me for just a second. Upload, drag here or select. Where the heck did they go? Okay, that's fair enough. Okay, you should see them all starting to appear.
Okay. I
Okay.
saw this. I saw that.
Now, what I'm going to do is now I'm going to actually put this change back in to
Yes.
see if I can get it working, because I'm just conscious of how little time we've got.
Yes.
Okay. Oh. Okay, getting there.
So now you are replying the.
Yeah, you can recompile. I've just got to fix one thing
Okay.
because it's not showing up in two columns.
Oh yes, much better. But change to one column. So
Yeah, let me just work out what that's actually done. Okay, let me just work on this. Okay, now reload it. You should be able to work from there.
okay, let me see. Okay, thank you. But the table side can't whip the how to auto fit the pages, the table.
You don't need the table anymore, do you?
Oh. So just remove the table is okay, right? Oh, maybe
Yep.
maybe let me see. Maybe they don't need the. Try again. Oh no, I just removed the tables. Okay. So how many pages here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Yeah, okay. And I'm just going to save you some time.
Yeah, thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Fixing up the SMC, because if you look down, the SMC diagram does
Yeah.
it very well.
Yeah, they exist the yeah
This
too
should
too,
fix it.
too large. So I changed the size.
No, it's all right. Let me work. Ta-da! Reload it.
Okay.
So this is a crash course in LaTeX. If you've got two columns,
Yes.
instead of using figure, you use figure star. Figure star will use the whole page width.
Oh, the figure star. So
Yeah,
can I fix the location? So what that means is type the H here in the fix near the
Yep. H, and if you really want it to be there, use a lowercase h exclamation mark.
okay. Lowercase. So
Lowercase h and an exclamation mark.
exclamation mark.
Yep.
So it's are you talking about this? So no. Exclamation mark. This one? No. This question.
No,
mark.
that's a question mark.
This question mark. Yes.
The straight up and down one, with a dot underneath it.
Oh, sorry.
Right. It should be Shift 1, depending on the keyboard you're using.
This one? Oh,
No.
sorry. So, yeah, I find it.
That's the one. That's the one. Exclamation mark. Okay, now recompile. Let's see what happens. Sometimes LaTeX won't move things.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, sometimes LaTeX won't move things. All right, so let's go through it because we need to wrap up this meeting. So change the way you talk about the things that you're doing.
Yes.
We've now fixed the overall format. You've got a lot more space. There are some really good examples. Make sure you download those files for yourself.
Yes.
So have you copied everything out of the chat?
Let me save. Wait.
Thanks.
So actually, I still have questions. Let me save those things first. Huh? Where? Oh. Okay. Here you go.
Okay. What are the questions? We've got
So
time
my
for a couple.
question is, I think they have some ambiguous point in the requirements of the some instruction. They how to provide the evidence of sustained words of a high standards. Because now I shows my design architecture experiments knows parameters and the result in my progress reports. Is this sufficiency to meet the high standards of evidence?
It meets standards of evidence. I mean, I have to read it through thoroughly.
We need to provide the evidence of substance words of high standards.
I think you've provided enough evidence that you've been
Okay,
looking for
thank
things
you.
you've worked on.
And then about regarding the review, lecture reviews, I just write the summary of each article which is related to my research. Is that enough? So no need to compare, no need to write the conclusion.
Look, I think in this particular stage of the report, you haven't come to a definite answer, have you? So you need to talk about what you're planning to do next and what you think might be going on, but you can't make definite conclusions yet. No.
Okay. Yes, and then let me see better instruction. So they asked me to to make sure that my summary of activity for the next semester is sufficiently enough for you and the second marker to provide the feedback. So that's why I would like to confirm my summary of activity. So I create some summary. So whether enough point for or not for you and the second marker to give a feedback.
I think you could provide some more depth. You've got more pages now.
Yeah, yes.
So what I would do is I would go through, review it in the face of everything we've talked about today, and if in doubt, explain more, because you've got 5 extra pages now.
Yeah, yes, yes.
So more depth, more explanation. Give us everything you think would help us to recognize the work that you have done and to understand your mode of thinking.
Yes, I see.
Okay?
So I try to update my report. Yes.
Yep.
And then is that tomorrow if I can complete the in this night, can I send an email to ask you to have a look?
I can certainly try. Tomorrow is a very busy day, but I will.
Oh yeah, sorry.
If you, no. If you can make it available first thing, I'll see what I can do. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
No worries.
Thank
All
you
right.
very
You
much.
have a good one.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.